My name's Nate Bean, and I'm the founder and president of Integrity Automotive in Issaquah. I started Integrity Automotive 22 years ago after serving 15 years as a technician with the purpose of providing the motoring public in Issaquah with a much better option for automotive service. We are committed to protecting our environment at Integrity Automotive. It's critical that all waste be captured and disposed of properly. At Integrity Automotive, there's not a need for you to even come to the shop. You can sign your estimate electronically. We will come pick your vehicle up, bring it to our shop, and return it to you when it's completed. We will keep you up to date electronically throughout the day, and you will be able to view all notes, inspections, photographs, and make educated decisions. Our career technicians and their high level of professionalism assures you that your repair will be performed correctly the first time.